I'm literally jumping off. I'm jumping off.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
I think it's a floater, Doc. The guy's...
How did you go down, Timmy?
I don't fucking know, man. You just fucking... I went to hop and you just yeeted me, man. It's just not... I don't think it's up to par with everybody else out there. You know what I mean?
All right, lads, let's get it done.
All right, let's lock it in, man. Come on,
All
stop fucking around.
Yep. By the way, way to drive your truck right into a fucking brick wall. I mean, what are you thinking?
Leave me alone, bro. I was just going. I thought you were gonna have me. And honestly, Doc.
No, I'm playing zone. I'm trying to win the game.
Yeah, that's my bad. I accept responsibility. There are a couple ifs that like could happen, but it's fine.
Yeah. There's none.
Yeah,
there's none.
No. There's a couple ifs that could happen. You missed the snipe on the guy 7 times. You let him thirst me in broad daylight.
No, I hit I hit the same guy what 3 times. Still don't knock him with the sniper.
And I went to thirst my guy, right? And then it would just be a 1v1 for you. And dude was like fucking the Hulk. I don't know. That's all you. I'm coming right at you. Well, the good news is because we lost that one, we're in a bot lobby again. So.
No, I've had to pull out some big moves, and luckily, your guy was distracted because I'm fighting first.
Let us go, Doctor. 2.
Talk to me, factory.
Here. I mean, not factory. We got that. That's probably our best bet, unfortunately. Let's go to the mall.
Let me show you some driving. You ready?
Yeah, show me. Can't get out this way.
Yeah, you can. Watch. Watch this. There you go. There you go.
Hostile dropping into the AO.
Yeah,
Watch this, guys.
Yeah. Watch this, though.
Yeah. You can't get over this.
Yeah, you can.
Are you getting a UAV?
I'm dropping everything for you.
No, I got a loadout. You get a UAV?
I'm guy on top of the roof! That guy's one shot. See ya. Not hacking. Yeah.
He's going to get his boy.
Well, yeah, of course. And they're getting in the fight.
Right here.
That's my grenade. Coming in late. I'm heartbeating. Nothing.
We don't need a heartbeat, bro. We literally have a fucking UAV. There's a whole team right there.
All right. I'm dropping more cash. Let's get a UAV in the back pocket.
There was like a team near factory in between super kind of area.
Well, if we had a UAV already up.
I mean, I'm holding it for a second. I want to get closer, get closer.
I mean, if we had a UAV, we'd understand exactly where to drive.
UAV is online. Team in super, sir.
All right. What about this team right here? What about that team right there? Look at this guy, though. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. The guy's fucking laying down on the roof.
What? This guy's now going up here.
Oh, Timmy.
What's Timmy?
Timmy.
May I assist you? That's the last ping we're getting. I'm going up this side. You go up that side.
Yeah, you're dead. See ya. You're dead.
Down, Josh. Gold 10, 3, 4, 4.
Boom.
2, 8. Dead silenced out of his cock.
If they survive, they can
Good! Fuck out of my way, microphone! I'm winning this. Coming right back.
Have your little friend peek up too. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Wanna come upstairs? Do you?
Fucking idea was to put stuns in the gulag, dumbass bitch.
This guy's floating around me. I don't like him.
Hey, Whips, ban that guy Ethan. That's all I saw in his name. Just find him, get rid of him. Don't care.
Yep, he's out front. He's going south on me. South on me.
I'm dead, Doc. Are you coming to me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Enemy team is
I'm
tracking your
dead. I
location.
can't help you.
Why?
Because I'm fucking dead.
How did you die?
I got stunned in the gulag and I took my dick out.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire. Only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with your homies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me. Girl, you are my fire.
Ethan, if you want to get unmanned, you can write me a formal apology. I'm landing right out the guy. Don't care.
Yep, they're in the next stall over.
They're here. If you can play in with me here, I can go. Wait, it's right here, Doc.
Yeah.
One rotating right on you.
Yeah.
Rotating right on you.
What? Okay.
Rotating right on you.
Gotcha. So he's delayed.
Wait, I can get above this guy. Another guy right there. I'm getting above this guy, Doc.
Yeah. A team's pushing me, by the way. I'm 3 bar.
Yeah, this is bad.
You're in my building! You're in my building! Of course. Let me see your fucking aim assist. Let me see it. Let me see how easy it is for you. He's not using aim assist. Just his audio's superior. No, nothing. Nothing, you know? Nothing to indicate that he's that close, that he's coming around the corner. There's just nothing. No fucking audio. Nothing. 100 players in this lobby, though. I've got 2,200 damage, and Timmy is just... I couldn't tell you.
Dude, I'm back, bro. Sorry, man. I had to go AFK. I had to help Alexis quick. My
Listen
bad.
up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Oh, you got your little... That's your little glitchy spot? That's your little glitchy spot?
Nice, bro. We're still in it. Let's go.
Look at the loadout, Timmy. Look at that thing. Couldn't be any farther.
That's great. Literally 1,298 meters away. That's good. That's good, man. Fuck it. I mean, let's get this.
Yeah.
You're on a good game, actually. 6. That's great. 6 with 92. That's good. You like my thumbnail today, dude? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I can't, like... I'm actually kind of excited to show you mine for Wednesday now.
I'm doing the AT&T thing Wednesday. I can't play with you, Doc.
Yeah, no, I know. And I'm playing in a tournament with Z-Laner. But... I still can't wait, though. Look at these idiots. That got taken, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's just a good thing the loadout was close.
Of course it's obviously all been looted, probably. Wait a minute.
Little bit. So did Z move from Canada to Canada? Am I right with that?
I think so. I don't know what his moving situation is.
Stayed in Canada, chat?
I think so. You tell me where this is. Okay, there it is.
there any warm places in Canada, bro? Like, any beaches?
Toronto during the summers, nice.
Yeah, but I mean like year round. Like how we got Florida or we got California, how it's kind of
No,
year
they're up
round,
north.
kinda warm.
They're up north.
Yeah, so there's nothing, right? There's nothing in Canada that's warm year round. That kind of sucks. My car is rotating right into you. Convenient. You can fight them. Oh, they're out, bro. They're hungry. Yeah, show them why it's a bad idea. I mean, if you gotta play it if you want.
What?
I think he hopped and his boy just kept going.
Here we go with the rocks again, huh?
That blueprint's kind of nice, huh?
It is pretty sweet.
What are the odds that that guy had the money? He hopped out with no place. He had nothing. Aiming at you. On the left. Ooh. Yeah, yeah.
Ah, vete a la verga. Ah,
I
no.
like that ego on you right now. That's lit.
Oh, baby! Yeah, baby! I don't.
Yeah!
Trying to find like some sort of late '80s, '90s singer, but I don't know.
Earth right here. Getting my stuff. Don't care.
Care was there, but the mid care would have been there. What is this? Is this your truck? I'll take it. Don't worry, I'll give away your position.
Thanks, man. Someone just bought down there, Doc.
Yeah, the truck.
I hit the passenger.
Okay. I'm hitting. I don't know what I'm hitting here.
This guy's coming up to me. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have any ammo, but I'm gonna.
There's a whole bunch of guys.
right here.
Yeah.
I don't got ammo, Doc, but I'm going right at it. I broke one. Doc, I'm not exaggerating. I'm 0-0 with my ammo, all right?
All right. Well, come on in. Let's go get you. No. I've already looted that. Let's.
Did the guy should kill have any ammo? No.
Here. What do you have? SMG?
I have M4 sniper.
M4 sniper. Okay. I'm gonna drop a couple right there, and that's all I got. Oh, here you go.
You just gave me 40. Aren't you sniping?
No.
Oh, W. Okay.
Yeah.
You have any plates?
2.
Please, sir. I want some more. Alright.
I don't think these houses were loot. I think we're looted. I think we get a couple plates in here, finish up with our ammo, and let's get the hell out of Dodge.
Alright.
Wait, on me.
What?
Yeah, on me. Coming to you.
One guy.
Just gonna take that from me, huh?
He really tried to just take that car, bro.
You're just gonna take that from me, though.
I mean, I didn't mean to. What am I gonna do? Let him drive away? Did you get any plates in here? I have a couple.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, baby!
Yeah, that's right! Buddy!
God, his head is exploded in front of me.
How
many plates do you have?
That AR, bro? Like any?
What, AR? I mean, Jesus.
I didn't get any.
How many do you have total? I have 91 total.
42 plus 56. Mathematically, that is 7.
Okay.
Bertha? Went in there.
Yeah.
Let's go kill him.
Okay. I'm hitting dead silence, by the way. Drop me off in the back, and just drive to the front where the truck is.
I'll just drop you here and then drive and
Yep,
wrap
keep
around.
going.
I only Oh, he's on the backside on me. Doc, backside on me.
Yep, I'm looking. Where?
Destination marked.
At the
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Yeah,
Oh, my God.
look at across the open.
God, I'm looking good. God, I look good. I look good. I'm hitting him in the... No!
Wait, bot behind us? Am I seeing that right?
What do we have? Look at this guy. Where's he at? Oh, behind us, like north, too.
They bought this way.
I know,
I
but
think we get out of the salt mine. That salt mine's kind of wild. You good?
Yeah.
If I had a gut feeling, bro, and my gut's usually right because I'm fat, I think they're coming right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a look though. Out back here.
They're right here. They're sitting in. Okay, they're setting up shop in there, so we're good.
Yeah, there's this.
And one guy's like in the attic. Yeah. I have AR off that guy. Do you need some now?
Boom, got my elimination. No, I'm good.
All right.
I want to go loot him.
All right. I'll kind of look over you. Hang on. I think you were getting shot from like
Right
this
here.
direction.
No, yeah, no, I am. See, look at him. See him? Sniper way up there. Not good enough though.
I have 0 angle on that. Hang on. No
All the way
door
up. There he is.
Try and live him, Doc. Got it. Found one of them.
There it is.
Man, if we had a precision, they'd be shocked.
I hear that.
I'm gonna get a precision. Wait. Hey, come.
Hey, come to you. I'm coming right now.
Did you hear
They
that?
like,
No, stay. Okay, so you can stay right where you're at.
what?
Yeah. Here we are. See? That's what I'm talking about.
I'm coming to you. Different from the guys up top.
Boom, look at this guy.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
On me. Going upstairs. Got him. He should still be up there. Yeah, he is.
Here, bro.
There you go, baby.
This guy's top of the hill. Well, fuck off.
Yeah.
What the?
I'm looking.
I'm so the amount of confusion that is seeping through me right now is crazy. 2 different teams. It's gotta be.
Okay.
They're terrible, Doc. I shouldn't have just ran away. I shouldn't have shot. Terrible on me. In this little alley, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there, on orange. Nice. Not the guy.
Plenty of time, huh? Plenty of time.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover. Get back.
You're good.
I am How is he in my body? And he's dead silence. This game is such a fucking pathetic 12-year-old mess. He's dead silence, man. God.
Team 2. Nice try, man. That was wild for a second.
Oh.
But, man, I got like one more good one. We got to get a win. I threw the one win we could have had.